Namaskar. Your eyelashes are not just for beauty, they are actually a protective barrier. They keep dust, sweat, and tiny particles away. And your eyebrows, they are designed to direct sweat away so they don't enter your eyes. But today, because of stress, poor nutrition, excessive makeup, and constant rubbing, people are noticing that their lashes and brows are becoming thinner. They are becoming weaker and falling out faster. And you think that you need to buy some expensive serums to protect and rejuvenate your eyebrows and lashes. But one of the most powerful solutions for thick eyebrows has been sitting in Indian homes for generations. I am talking about castor oil. Today, let me tell you why castor oil is good for your eyebrows and eyelashes. And towards the end, I'll also give you a simple, powerful way to use castor oil that can actually support eyelash and eyebrow growth. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of castor plant, and it is extremely rich in a unique fatty acid called racinoleic acid. Racinoleic acid is not just an oil, it has a strong anti-inflammatory property, deep moisturizing ability, and the power of improved blood circulation to hair follicles. Your eyelashes and eyebrows are made of keratin, just like the hair on the head. And for keratin to stay strong, your hair follicle needs proper nourishment, good blood flow, and protection from damage. Castor oil helps in all three functions. It deeply coats each hair strand, preventing breakage. It nourishes the root, making the hair thicker over time, and it creates a protective layer that reduces dryness and damage. Castor oil creates a perfect environment for growth. So if your lashes are thinning and falling out, castor oil is exactly what they need. Now, as promised, here is a simple and effective way to use castor oil for eyelashes and eyebrows. What you need: cold pressed castor oil, a clean mascara wand or cotton bud, 1 to 2 drops coconut oil. The method to use is: take a very small amount of castor oil. Dip your clean mascara wand into it. Now gently apply a thin layer along your upper lash line, just like you would apply eyeliner. Do the same on your eyebrows, focusing on sparse areas. Make sure you do not overload it. A very small quantity is enough. Leave it overnight and wash your face in the morning. Use this daily at night for at least 6 to 8 weeks. Now you might want to know, what results can you expect? See, with consistency you may notice reduced hair fall, thicker looking eyelashes and brows, better shine and strength. But remember, you have to eat well, sleep well, and stress less for these traditional remedies to work. When your body is nourished and your routine is consistent, only then the remedies like castor oil can give powerful results. So be consistent, be mindful, and begin to take care of yourself. Namaskar.